Hey guys, I'm Holden, and today I'm here with my friend Nick. Do you want to say hi to camera?
Yes.
Yeah, this is Nick.
Hello.
He will show us his current apartment. Actually, it's not apartment, right?
No, it's a small room in a hostel.
How much you pay for this?
I think in dollars it's around 16 or $17.
$16 per night, or
Yeah, per night. Mhm.
so 16 is about like 100 RMB per day. It's a good
A
price.
little bit more, yes. Mhm.
Yeah, it's a good price actually, because this place is very close to the city center. Try it. I can also use Meituan. Wow.
So now I have no idea, but sometimes it's unlocked. Yes.
So it's unlocked. Now we are very close to Nick's hotel. Let's check what it will look. I already see the 面馆, which means a noodle store.
Ah, okay.
Looks good.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's check your room. Let's go. We need to be quiet.
So here,
Wow,
a lot of
I mean-
rooms.
this one looks nice. Much better than I thought.
Yeah, it's very luxurious and very new, and also very cheap.
Oh, just a one room.
Yes, it's my room.
Yeah,
It's small.
I know.
It's very small.
The room is not big.
So I think the room is really for coming here and to sleep
Yeah,
and for privacy, but no.
yeah, it has a television. But what are this for?
I think it's maybe used in another room.
Oh, maybe you
It's
can.
not available for me.
Can we move it? No, we can't move this.
No, we cannot move this. The air is too dry.
Uh-huh. You mean the air condition has some? It's too cold.
And no, not too cold, too dry. You know,
What is try?
dry, like not wet.
Oh, dry. Have you found a place for the shower?
Yes.
Let's go. The toilet.
Maybe I should have checked it better. Here's the toilet.
Yeah.
It's like the shower.
Ah. Okay. To be honest, that is my first time to see the hotel like this. Oh, that is a washing room, the laundry room.
Should we check it?
Have you used it?
No.
Laundry room. Oh, it's on the roof. Yeah.
Yeah. Here you can buy your stuff.
Okay. It's very later now. I will meet Nick tomorrow at the Wuzhong market. It's a very traditional local market. Right now I'm near my home and want to buy some street food. Let me show you. This is my cat. And that is a normal street food. Let's take a look. Those are beef and the lamb. Some kind of tofu. That is chicken meat. The fish. Chicken wing. That is something you definitely won't eat. See this. I won't eat this. That is how they look when they are prepared. Okay, just take a look, and I'll see you in the next day. Good morning. I will meet with Nico later on, and right now I'm in the Jian Temple. We will visit a local market. Local Chinese people usually buy the food in this market. Right now is the rush hour in the morning, so the road is quite busy. Okay, Here we are. I think this is Wuzhong Jishi. Yeah. Oh, I found Nico. Hey, Nico. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
So this is Wuzhong Jishi.
Ah,
People will buy vegetable and fruit in the market like this. In the past, Chinese people don't have the supermarket. We only have the marketing like this.
yeah, I expected some kind of market where a lot of people are with small boosters, you know, like an old market.
Is this the same in Europe?
We have markets and we have supermarkets.
Okay.
But normally our markets are not inside.
You see, tourists usually don't visit this place. It's very, very local. I think the price is for one jing, which is like half a kilogram. So it's about 100 for 1 kilogram. To be honest, it's a little bit expensive.
Yeah,
But people love this kind of fish.
yeah, it's much more expensive than this one, for example, or this one.
Yeah, the taste is different.
Ah, okay. So they are not moving, are they dead? Or
No, they don't realize they're moving.
what's this for a kind of snake? Or
Not snake. It's called. Let me search the name for this. I don't know the English name. The Chinese name is Huangshan. It's eel.
eel. Ah, yeah, okay. What is this?
The Chinese name for this is chenzi, razor shell,
Oyster shell.
razor shell, or razor clam.
Ah,
You never see this
I
before.
have no idea.
This is shell.
We are buying.
Chinese people don't like the date fish or date shrimp. They think they will have a smell if they are date.
Yeah, maybe they don't know if it's fresh.
Yeah, they want those food to be fresh.
This is also dead.
Yeah, those are date.
It's like, yeah.
The owner is pick the date shrimp. If the shrimp is already date, the price will be much cheaper.
Ah, okay. They died in there.
Yeah. And some fruit. Now we are going to the apartment. This apartment is also in this area. This is called former French Concession, very close to the city center. Okay. It's still the Urumqi Road. Actually, this road is an internet famous road.
Ah, really?
Yes, you can see there are many like fancy stores in the street.
Ah, these little stores.
Yes, and many Korea will go to this place. Do you have the lunch? I mean the breakfast.
Oh, what's it? What is it?
Do you want to try? It's very affordable.
Yes.
I want a meat pan. This one. Do you eat pork?
Yeah, sometimes.
我要一个肉饼。
肉饼。
对，maybe you can choose one.
What is this?
这个叫什么？
肉夹馍里边是鸡排。
This is a chicken's meat.
Ah, okay.
这个是手抓饼是吧
手抓饼，里面是荷包蛋、午餐肉的。
？Let me translate. I don't know how to say it in English. Hand pound pancake with fried egg and spam. Yeah, this one is good. It's a very traditional Chinese street food.
Ah, okay, cool. What is this behind? It's just bread?
It's also some sauce pancake.
Sauce?
Yeah, so it's about 11 yuan.
Yeah, it's cheap.
Yeah, very affordable.
This is
This is youtiao. Also very traditional.
youtiao.
Yeah. You see, there are many fancy stores like this. So that is why it's called the internet famous street.
Ah.
Yeah, this is a typical Li Nong.
What?
Li Nong. It's also the local people will live. The houses are very old. I mean, those buildings, they are very, very, very old. They usually have a history like near 100 years.
Really? These buildings.
Yeah,
They don't look so old.
because the government had refreshed those, renew those buildings.
Ah, okay. Yeah, this.
Yeah, see this? Preservation site.
Ah, okay. It looks a little bit European to me.
Yes, because this place is used to be the former French Concession. It's managed by the French government.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that explains it.
Even in the alley like this, they have those cameras
Uh-huh.
to make
Ah.
people safe. We work for a long time, and finally we found the trash can. And the trash can is near the bus stop. Okay, this is the community we are going to see today. 好，谢谢。That is the interest for this community. Only the rich people could afford an apartment in this area like this.
Ah, okay.
For example, that is the price for the house selling here. Is about
$3 million US dollars. Yeah,
3 million US
3 million
dollars.
US dollars.
That is the first one.
Yeah, that's expensive.
Yeah, the second one is much cheaper, but I think it's
Still,
still like 2 million, 2 million US dollar. And this one, 5. The apartment for today is about 36,000 per month for the rent, 5,000 US dollar.
5,000.
Yes,
Oh, yes. Oh,
36,000 Chinese yuan per month.
oh, yeah, that's expensive.
Yeah, very expensive.
Very expensive.
I think that is the building, building 3. Building 3, tower 3. Let's go. And this is a lobby. So there is a doorman for this building. It's not very common in China.
Yes, no, in Germany also not.
Only the very high level building like this will have a doorman. Okay, here is the apartment for today, 1601. And this is the entrance. The natural light is very good in this apartment. This is the dinner area, the dinner table. And you can put the table here. Let's take a look for the kitchen. The kitchen is quite big. 3 gas stove. This is the laundry balcony. Okay, the fridge. I think this is the oven and the microwave. So this is the living room area. We have a huge carpet and the sofa. The television is a little bit small for this living room. And this is the balcony. That is why you pay for this apartment. It's very expensive, like near 5,000 US dollars per month. This is the former French Concession area. We have a lot of villa in this area, which is more expensive than this one. Okay, now let me show you the bedroom. We have 2 bedrooms. This is the bedroom 1. The bed is still on the way. This one also has the view. Okay. The bathroom. We got the shower and the toilet. Okay, now let's see the main bedroom. We have a king-size bed and the wardrobe. And the view. That is the bathroom in suite. How about the decoration?
I'm surprised. I think it's quite simple for the price.
Uh-huh.
It's not simple, but for the price, it's simple, I think.
Yeah, you know. Some people might think if you pay like 5,000 per month, you need to have a big house, a nice furniture, nice decoration. But in Shanghai, it doesn't work like this. If you want to have a big house, you need to move to the suburb.
Yes.
The price is more than 5,000 US dollars per month, which is like more than the average salary in Shanghai.
Yeah, far more than the average
Yeah.
salary in Shanghai. I think if I would have enough money and I would really, really, really want to have this view all day.
Yeah, you need to be really rich.
Yes.
Be a normal worker is not enough for this one.
No.
Okay, this is our journal for today. Thank you for
Yeah,
enjoying.
you're welcome. Thanks.
Okay, you're
Only
welcome.
as a tourist, you don't see this.
Okay, anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.